So I'm going to have a look at this today. This is an item from Poundland, so it's a illuminated sign that you can write messages on, and this is in their £2 range. So we'll crack it open and see how it works. There's a pen with it, so the pen's got a little eraser on the top. There's a battery box on the back which needs some AAA's. There's a switch on the side there, so it doesn't look too bad actually. I mean, the evenness of the illumination is quite good. On the camera here it looks like this section is much darker, but actually to the eye there's not that much variation. So the idea is you're supposed to use this pen, get it open, to leave messages. It looks like it's got a magnet on it. I'm not sure where it's meant to stick. Not sure there's anywhere to attach that. Okay, so it's quite a simple device. I think we should open it up and see what the arrangement is for the LEDs and so forth. I don't expect to see much in there apart from LEDs and resistors, but we'll see. Okay, so the back's made of cardboard, so you can see it's a bit warpy, a bit collapsed. It's got a couple of little hooky things on here so you can hang it on nails on the wall. So we have the battery box here going through the switch on the side, and then it's just some lead tape with the resistors built in, and they've just kind of put the tape around the inside of the box basically. And that, oh okay, so this on the back of the battery box here, this is some white tape to reflect the light into the center so that you don't get a black shadow in the center, I guess. But it's just side lit really. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 LEDs on that strip. See, if you look close up to the LEDs, you can see there's a little surface mount resistor in there which is doing the current limiting for the LEDs, because you always need something to limit the currents through LEDs, otherwise they keep drawing more and more until they destroy themselves. Actually, I noticed that the surface mount resistors are not resistors, they're just 0 ohm links. So basically this is just drawing all of the current that the battery will supply. So I thought I'd just measure the voltages. So the battery itself, 2 AA cells, are giving something quite close to 3 volts. but then when it's on, it's dropping 2.85 volts across those 17 LEDs, which will all be in parallel. So we could actually measure the current also. Let's do that. So 26 milliamps basically. Yeah, so that's maxing out the batteries. I mean, with AAA batteries you don't have that much current available in any case. So I guess this design is really depending on that. So there we go, not much to see in the way of electronics in there, just a bit of LED tape actually, but it's quite a clever design because it's just side lit, but you manage to get enough evenness of light for that to work. So that's alright for £2, isn't it?